Hi, this is Lorraine from Harmony Made to Measure Furniture Limited in Basingstoke. We're on to the last of our video showroom displays. This one is sliding wardrobe systems. So sliding wardrobes, you've got endless options where it comes to designing the fronts of your doors. You can choose from a combination of coloured glass, mirror or panels, or a combination of all three, depending on what finished look you're looking to achieve. This is a Komandor system, so we tend to start off recommending to choose the colour of your frame. So this one is, the frame is used to open and close your doors, so in effect that's your handle for your sliding doors. So you've got colours options to choose from when it comes to your sliding doors. You've got white, silver, sand beige, grey, champagne and dark walnut. So that's usually a good starting point. It's then choosing colours within your doors that work within your room. So whether you've got wall colours, furniture colours or curtain colours that you're looking to incorporate, will work with you to find colours and designs that suit you going forward. So that front door that you can see there, that's a full height piece of pure white glass, and these are stuck on. So these are what's called lay-on bars. So this is one full sheet and these are stuck on the front of the bars. There's no cutting involved, it's just literally a full sheet of glass. When you look at our two-door display, you'll see that we're going between glass to panel, which means we have to put in these what's called H bars to create the link between the two panels. So you've got different means to create that finishing look that you want to achieve. These doors here demonstrate different design options. So for example, you've got panel and glass, you've got a three-way even split. You can decide what length and what width of each of the elements within your wardrobe you'd like to work with to achieve the finishing look that you'd like. So these, to be honest, you could go on and on and on where it comes to sliding wardrobes. So it's good to get an idea of the sort of colour scheme that you'd like to work with, and then we'll help you achieve that finished look that works for you in your room. When it comes to mirrors, a lot of people sometimes go for a full height silver mirror door, which you've got there. Some people, if they have a three-door system, want a mirror door just in the centre and then different detailing on the either side. So literally whatever works best for you. You've got a silver mirror, you've got a bronze mirror, and you've got a grey mirror to give very subtle differing tones within on your doors. So again, lots and lots of options. And when it comes to the glass as well, you've got lots of different colour options where it comes to the glass, and the same with the wood effect panels. So within this two-door system, these are some of your panel colour choices as well. So there's an awful lot of colour panels to choose from. So on the left door, we've shown that you can have a small section of long hanging. You've got your high level shelf with full height shelving to the right of that. So again, as I said previously, every element is made for you. So you decide how much width of long hanging you want. You might decide you've only got 3 or 4 coats and 4 or 5 dresses, so you literally only want that small slither of long hanging. So we make sure that that works just for you. A little soft close. So soft close mechanisms on the outer doors within your sliding wardrobes. And then on the right hand side, we've got high level shelf and double hanging. The usual base, obviously the base helps when it comes to sliding wardrobes. Obviously you've got something for the track to go onto, and you've got the header track sitting at the top. So you've got a few elements to choose when it comes to choosing sliding wardrobe systems. Choosing the sliding wardrobe frame colour, choosing what you'd like within your doors, a combination of glass, panel or mirror, and choosing what your external frame is going to be and your internal storage colour. If you've got panels in the front of the doors, it tends to follow that the panel colour would be the same as your carcass colour. So that's sliding wardrobe systems. So for example, if you were to pick this system up and put this in your home, you'd be looking at just over £2,000 for a 2-door sliding wardrobe system. This is in light Lakeland Acacia and pearl white glass with a champagne frame and light Lakeland Acacia carcass in. Hope that's of interest. I hope you enjoyed sharing these videos with you, and I hope they've helped you a little bit while we've been closed. And as always, we're here for any questions you might have on any element of your fitted furniture needs. You can contact us via our website, harmonymadetomeasure.co.uk, or you can drop us an email at harmony.sales@zen.co.uk, or give us a call on 01256 844 993. Thanks again for following us, and hope that's of interest, and we're always here if you need us. Speak to you soon. Take care.